So for question 1b, so we have z equal to 1 plus I divided by 1 minus 2i. So the question asks you to write down the complex number z in the polar form. But this z is actually division between two complex number. So to change it to polar form, we need to know what is the real value, what is the imaginary number in the polar form, in the z. But we have a fraction, so we need to change to rationalize the complex number first. So how? So if we have a fraction, means that we have to multiply with the conjugate of the denominator. So what is the conjugate of the denominator? So 1 minus 2i, the conjugate will be 1 plus 2i. So multiply 1 plus 2i for both numerator and denominator. So expand for this one. So what do we get here is 1 plus I plus 2i plus 2i squared, and divide by 1 minus 2i plus 2i minus 4i squared. So what is 2i squared? So I squared is negative 1. So negative 2. So we get negative 1 plus 3i divided by 1 plus, so I squared is negative 1. So negative 4 plus, multiply with negative 1 is plus 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5. So we have, write down in a separate form, which is into the real form, real number, and add up with the imaginary. So we have negative 1 over 5 plus 3 over 5i. So this is our z. So to find in a polar form, we need to find the modulus of z and the argument of z. So we need to know what is the a value, which is negative 1 over 5, and the imaginary value, which is b equal to 3 over 5. So to find the modulus of z, so what is the formula for modulus of z? So we have, it is like to find the distance between the point to the origin, right? So we have negative 1 over 5 square plus with the 3 over 5 square. So we get 1 plus 5 plus 9, 1 plus 25, 1 over 25 plus 9 over 25, which is 10 over 25. So we get square root of 2 over 5. So this is the modulus of z. And then to find the argument, so we need to know which quadrant this lies. So a equal to negative 1 over 5, and then b equal to 3 over 5. It will be in the second quadrant. So what is the argument? So we can find the argument if it's on the second quadrant. So it will be pi minus with the angle here, alpha. So it will be pi minus arctangent of b over a. So modulus of 3 over 5 divided by negative 1 over 5. So what do we have here? Minus arctangent of negative 3. So it will be 3. So we get 1.89 radian. Okay. So how to write down in polar form? So z can be written down in polar form equal to the modulus of z, which is square root of 2 over 5 multiply with the cos of 1.89 plus with the I of sine of 1.89. Done.